What is it?
Acha. Select fifth and sixth and ninth option. This is a Google verification method. Fifth, sixth, and ninth. Again, select ninth and fifth. Fifth.
Again.
Yeah. And now click on verify. Right. Create my profile. Perfect. Now this is your account. So Gayatri, you have to add some image. You have to add your photograph. You have to write some about yourself, your bio, in this profile itself. For time being, it's okay. Now please open Tableau desktop where you have created that report. So everyone, we are following the steps on Gayatri's screen now, how to publish a report on Tableau Public. So you can see the steps. Yes, open Tableau at the bottom. Right. Now, which open the map sheet. Please open the map sheet, everyone. Please open the map sheet. Why we are opening map? Because when we publish the map, this should be the view. This should be the front screen view. Now, click on File menu bar. Click on file menu bar and save to Tableau Public. Everyone, please do this. Click on File menu bar, save to Tableau Public. Gayatri, a bit slower. You have to go a bit slow. Other people should follow. Everyone, click on File menu bar, save to Tableau Public. You'll get one window, enter the credentials. Some
No,
people will
one
not get this
second.
option.
Yeah, I'm just getting save and save as now.
Correct. You're not getting. I'll tell you the steps. Just hold on. Just hold on. Yeah. Gayatri, email ID and password. Some people are not getting, so I'm coming to their screen in a minute. People who are not getting it, they are not using free version, they are using a paid version of Tableau. It's a trial version, 14 days. S- yeah, Gayatri, you have to give a name as basic visuals in Tableau or data visualization in Tableau, something like that. Correct. And click on save. Yes, within few seconds, all your 9 sheets have been published on Tableau public profile. And you can, this is public, huh? By the way, Gayatri, anybody can see this report, anyone in the world. This is having no privacy. This is only for training purpose. In the company, some other software is used, which is more private, more secured. Yes, so you can stop sharing and let him share the screen. Sir, please share your screen so I can tell you what is the process. For some
So
people who are,
mine is I'm using the phone for this one.
okay, anyone else who's getting issue, who's not getting saved to
Yeah,
Tableau, yeah, please share your screen.
yeah, Pawan. My data is actually went out. So
Went out.
once I created my account,
Mhm.
Shall I share my
Please. Yes, Febin.
yeah, this is how I'm getting. So
Okay. Below the file option, there's a star snowflake icon. Below the file menu bar, there's a snowflake icon.
okay,
Correct. Click on that.
yeah,
Okay. Again, click on the same button. Again, click on the same button. Again, click on the same button. You see how to come back and forth. I'm showing you that thing.
yeah, okay, fine, yeah,
Perfect. Now let no, your work is done. Yeah. So everyone, yes, so please stop sharing. Yeah, please open the please stop sharing. Yeah, someone Febin was trying to share the screen.
Yes, I'm sharing the screen.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Right. So everyone, Febin is using a paid version of Tableau. He's using a paid version of Tableau. How do I know? Because on his screen, on the title of his screen, it is Tableau Book 2. Tableau license expires in 14 days. On the title of Febin's desktop screen, title, header, it will expire in 14 days. So when he clicks on File menu bar Save option, please click on File menu bar Save option. Febin can save this workbook in his personal laptop. That is possible. Okay, he can save on his laptop, but we don't want to save on the laptop, we want to publish it. So Febin, you know how to make it full screen? F7 button. Next to that there's a share button. Full screen option is there. Just a second. Yeah, I have just highlighted on the screen. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
everyone.
Huh.
Yeah,
Huh.
just hold on. Everyone, please click on this
Okay.
button. Not everyone, in fact, people are using paid version of Tableau. Click on this button, and Febin, you can type public.tableau.com here and wait for a second so that other people can do it. There are some lengthy steps you have to do. Everyone, click on this button and type as public.tableau.com and click on connect. Enter the credentials. You will get an error message.
It's
Perfect.
showing some sign in failed to selected selection.
Um, sign in field. Yeah. For people who are getting this error message, I hope you have reached till here. I'll just come back one by one. I'll solve. For people who are getting this kind of error message, how to solve it? Right. So Febin, you have to click on data source at the bottom. You have to click on data source at the bottom and click on extract. And just hold on. Let other people see. Just hold on. So people who are getting the error message, only for error message people, they can click on data source and they can click on extract button and click on any sheet. Save. Save button.
After extract, what do I do?
Yeah. After extract, go to any sheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and click on save button. Go to any sheet,
Any other tabs is in?
any other sheet, and click on save button.
Okay.
And again, click on this button here. Oh, and just rename and save it. Yeah. So it does not publish a live data. That's a whole logic. Why did we select extract? That means we are taking a copy of that data. Yes. Febin's work is done. Anyone else who's facing the issue, you can share your screen.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Yeah. When you publish everyone, you will be getting all the sheets. Some people have a question, it's only publishing one sheet, but if you scroll down at the bottom, you can see all the sheets will be available. You have to click on
I
the
need to
sheet name.
change the title. Change the title.
Just give some good name.
Mhm.
Pawan, are you trying to say like the entire workbook gets updated irrespective of whichever sheet we choose?
Updated? No. Here in Tableau Public, it will not be updated.
Okay.
Yes, it will not be updated. In Tableau Online or server, which I'll be showing on third day, there it will be updated automatically.